Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah. Look at me.
Yes, look at it moving. Alright, so what are we getting into today? Today we're about to be heading over to our boy Aaron's because he finally has his car running. So yeah, we're about to be going to check out Aaron's LS3 350Z. I'm also about to give y'all a quick little Fox body update. But check it out, you feel me? We got my boy Aaron's merch on, Crooked Crown Motorsports. If you haven't, make sure you go over there and check out his YouTube page, man. I'm gonna be dropping the link in the description and all that down below. Go over there, show my boy some love. He finally got his car running, so hopefully this fool's about to be bouncing back with some actual YouTube content and some driving footage. You know, Aaron's a dope ass driver, so I know he's planning on taking that thing out sliding pretty soon. So make sure you go check out my boy, show him some love. But yeah, that's what we getting into. Granny, you happy for white Aaron? Is you happy for white Aaron? He finally got his car running.
Yeah, I'm happy for my other grandson.
Yeah. I'm about to have him come over here. He gonna come park out front, pick you up, do some donuts. He about to do some donuts with you. He about to take you drifting.
That's a lie.
You don't wanna
Don't play with me, Michael.
Yeah, that's what the game plan is for today.
That's your game plan, not mine.
You about to get in there. You about to go sliding. You don't want to. You don't want to go slide around, Granny. You don't want to slide one time for the one time.
No, if he's talking about slide, I'm gonna slide upside his head. You show him that before he come over here talking about sliding with me.
Alright, so we're about to head out front real quick. I'm going to show y'all too. I also got the Fox body back together. Took that thing, drove it around. It feels better. So the few issues that were, hold on, lights. Oh God, I know y'all hate my garage door. Let's let this thing open up first. Alright. So yeah, man, remember I was having a couple issues with the Fox body. Ended up changing the fuel pump relay underneath the seat. So things running a bit better, and then when I drove it around, it felt like it was just hella slow, didn't have no power. Added a couple degrees into here, and it felt a lot better, but there's still something going on with it. I don't think it's 100%, but it does feel a lot better than what it did. So for that, I'm gonna drop those clips right here for y'all to check out. Rick's supposed to be coming over this weekend, and he's gonna be messing with it, but I'm already to the point where I'm like, you know what, I am so ready to turbo this thing. So Aaron, if you're watching this, we need to hurry up and get this race done, because I'm like this close from getting ready to turbo this thing. Possibly might drop it off this month, but I'm ready to turbo it. Oh yeah, we also got the registration, everything taken care of for the 300ZX, so we're just waiting for the paperwork on this thing. Y'all about to be seeing this on the street. So yeah, paperwork, pink slip, all that about to be on the way. Like I told y'all, I'm about to start driving this thing around too. But anywho, let's jump into FD, and we're about to head to our boy White Aaron's. Oh, we got a little speckle right here. Hope that's not gonna be in the video the whole time. So I guess today we'll be taking the C6. Yeah, we'll take the C6 today. Oh, never mind. Why? Because we're still waiting on a freaking coilover from BC. feel like every video I start this thing up for y'all. What are you doing in here? Get out of here. Get out of here. I'm just gonna give y'all some spool, man. Some spool. Woo. Or y'all want some wastegate? Y'all want some gate, huh? Y'all want some gate? Some gate? I'll probably never LS swap this car. I think if it even blew up, I'd probably just put another rotary in it. What's up, man?
Hi.
Mr. Fix my car and don't even test drive it? I don't know what's wrong with you.
Hey.
I gotta make this fool test drive his own car. Like,
No, you don't.
after months of it being down, I would assume like he'd be ready to drive this thing.
I need to pull this out though, and I need to change this wheel because remember, I only modified one knuckle. I don't have the other.
She needs me to pull out.
No, she doesn't. No, she doesn't.
She does. She definitely does. So yeah, man, this thing finally starts up, revs, doesn't leak gas. So if y'all want to see what was going on with this car, man, like I said, check out my boy channel, bro. This car's been a headache, and it's crazy because we run the exact same harness, pretty similar setups in my our LS3 350Zs, and his just came with a bunch of issues.
All the issues.
All the issues. Hey, if this was the average person, bro, they probably wouldn't have figured it out.
Yeah, for real.
Yes, yes, yes. Look at it moving. Look at it. Yes. Finally moving under its own power. I'm about to tell him, run it, man. Run it with the FD. I'm about to cap his shit. Man, what's up, man? You ready to race LS3 350Z versus FD, man?
FD?
Let's go.
Man.
You probably walk that. You'll probably walk my FD.
I could actually say a car that could actually whoop on one of your cars.
I love it. Look how clean this is.
Man. Finally. Look, it's not like hesitating, it's not creating a bunch of issues.
I know. Now that it's fixed, it doesn't sound like you have a cam no more.
No, it's okay. I'm alright with it. Reliability first, for sure. Alright, I gotta swap this wheel out real quick.
Which one? This one? Nah, for what? You just driving down the street?
Yeah.
We'll make sure we record from this side so it looks good.
So it looks good? I have to
Man, yes. Bruh, it's time to set up a trip. My car about to be home this weekend.
I know. I just watched the video, bro. Jealous.
We gotta get our LS350s on a freaking road trip. Watch out for your exhaust. What are you doing? No, you don't just drive backwards.
I'm not. I'm going up to the driveway.
Oh, I was about to say. Damn, this rear wheel don't rub? That thing close. Oh, it's about to rub. It's whatever. It's Twinkie's paint anyway. Hey, it's Twinkie's paint. We'll fix that later.
Oh, it's rubbing.
It's rubbing right there. It's because you're on an incline.
Huh?
You're on an incline, that's why. Oh. Man, this car looks so much better with these wheels on there. Damn, hold on, open that door. I just hate this, man. I just hate how you can see the haze, bruh.
Yeah. Hey, this color pops too. That's the hardest part about it.
It's just the haze. Typical Twinkie paint jobs.
Hey, well, if I'm leaving this wheel on, I'm gonna torque it because it's like.
My boy's gonna need some over fenders in his future. I can see it now. This is gonna rub.
Right? Finally! Yeah! He's been hearing it.
Right? Hearing it start up, but not rev.
But not really. Exactly.
Yeah. And we gonna look like twins, man.
I know.
Similar wheels.
Look at that. Finger tight.
Man, let me know, man. I got some. I think I got some extra work stickers for you if you want them.
I'm not even trying to go out on that. I just like how it looks. I do drift this car though, so if I boof one of these, it's like what, $700 as opposed to $2,000.
$2,000. Let me know where you can find a set of works for $2,000.
No. Oh, weird.
Let's go, man. Rip it.
I mean, I gotta get my video too.
Oh yes, I'm happy for this man. I'm so happy for my bruh. First actual drive with it running good. It's like his first time getting to rip it. Cracking his virginity. Crack that virginity. Oh, spun on his ass. It hella spun on him. He wasn't ready. It is puffing out some black smoke though. Some black smoking. It's probably all that old fuel that was in there burning off. Oh, this sounds good. And it looks good moving. I know he's happy. I remember this feeling, man, when my LS3 was finally done. Oh, that downshift sounded good. When my LS3 350 was finally done, I got to drive it for the first time. It was just like unreal. Like the waiting and then just getting it done and finally driving it, like, it feels different. So this is probably like this is probably the most power his chassis has had. He's had this 350 for a minute, but I'm pretty sure this is probably like the best setup that it's had in his car. Aaron's car has always been super clean with the supercharged setup, but this LS3 is freaking wet. And dude, listen to that. It sounds amazing.
Dude, it sounds so good.
It does.
It sounds so good.
Rev it up a little bit. Yeah. Crack that virginity.
Hell yeah. Now it's time to get yours. We need to mod.
Oh, mine done.
Yeah.
Mine just needs to be put back together.
Yeah.
And steam cleaned majorly.
Bro. All the shit's like even burning off. in here.
Yeah, it's driving down the street when you decel, it's like blowing out the like smoke still. It needs to clear out.
I mean, this thing's been apart so many times that it has my fingerprints, it has like oil drips, it has all that type of stuff because it hasn't even been ran enough for it to burn off.
How'd it feel?
Dude, super good. That was third gear down here that it broke the tires. And
Oh, when it spun on you?
yeah, when it spun on me, I was like, holy shit, this is a whole new monster.
Yeah, LS3 is a lot different from that LS6 you had that blew up on you in one run.
Yeah, seriously. I got my 5 minutes of enjoyment out of that one.
Dude, he had an LS swap. He had a supercharged 350Z,
Yep.
which was this exact same car supercharged.
Yep.
Then he did a LS6 swap.
Yep.
He did like one event on it, and then it freaking blew up, and then he took it out and went back supercharged 350Z.
Yeah, who else could say that?
He went back from a LS to a VQ, and then after he did my LS3 swap and drove my car, he was like, yo, I need LS3.
Yep, that's how it goes.
So then he went back to a LS.
Yeah, but never again. I'm gonna make that formal on camera right now. I ain't never going back there. This blows up for some weird reason, I'll just get another one.
Yeah, the LS3 is the truth, bro.
Yeah, for sure.
You see that response?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. The response is what is so.
Imagine it's not even tuned yet.
I know. Yeah, I gotta get on the horn with Whipple.
Get this thing tuned. It's gonna be it's gonna be a little ripper.
I mean, minus the shitty paint, it looks good.
We need a Works Customs collab soon.
Right, for real. Hey, the wheels on it, now that it's like out of the garage, you can step back and see it looks good.
It does. I like it. I see a wide body in your future.
Like I told you, I do.
I see a wide body or some camber.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fucking niggas hating on. I've been on the come up. You can go to speed, but it's better if you run up. You can ride with a nigga, but I'ma give you a choice. If you really wanna holler, then I'ma give you a voice.